Welcome to Picture Scripture Memory System for the Book of Acts. In this short video, we'll be working on learning the titles of Acts chapters 6 through 10 using humorous pictures to trigger our memory. Let's jump into the number system first. The number system for chapters 6 through 10 is chapter 6 are 6 legs on a bug, so it'll be a bug scene. Chapter 7 is heaven, so this will be on the sign a heavenly scene. Chapter 8 is a roller coaster. If you turn your head sideways, you can see the 8. Chapter 9 will be a doctor's head mirror, so it'll be a doctor scene with a mirror looking like the number 9 on the top of a doctor's head. And chapter 10 will be 10 little Indians. All right, let's get started.
Acts chapter 6. Chapter 6 is seen in the 6 legs of the bugs. Deacon is used to represent deacons. Stephen is the robot foot step-on as he steps on the bugs. Acts chapter 7. 7 is a heavenly number. Stephen is standing in the clouds of heaven, which symbolizes the number 7. Stephen on earth has been stoned, while Stephen in heaven is giving the robot a speech. Thus, it's Stephen's stony speech. Acts chapter 8. The 8 is seen in the roller coaster, which is an 8 sideways. Saul is the saw. The mouse, Philip, is a mini mouse or a small mouse. The mouse is Philip's ministry. Simon Magus is the robot, which has a magnet head. The Ethiopian eunuch is the fellow being made a eunuch by being sawed in two. Acts chapter 9. The 9 is seen in the robot doctor's mirror that's on his head. Damascus Road is the road going out the doors. Early ministry is shown because it's the robot doctor's first operation. Peter is a dog being operated on. The robot cusses as the table hits the doors, or Dorcas. Acts chapter 10. The Indian, as in 10 little Indians, tells us it is chapter 10. Peter is the dog eating cornmeal mush from the machine. Cornelius is the cornmeal mush.
All right, now you're ready for challenge number 1. I'll show you the pictures. You tell me the titles. What's in chapter 6? That's correct. Chapter 6 is Deacons, Stephen. What's in chapter 7? That's great. Acts chapter 7 is Stephen's stony speech. What's the title for chapter 8? That's correct. Chapter 8 is Saul, Philip's ministry, Simon Magus, Ethiopian eunuch. What's in chapter 9? That's right. Chapter 9 is Damascus Road, early ministry, Peter and Dorcas. What's in chapter 10? That's great. Chapter 10 is Cornelius and Peter. Great. Now you're ready for challenge number 2. In this one, I'll just give you the numbers. You think of the pictures and then state the titles. What's in chapter 6? That's correct. Chapter 6 is Deacons, Stephen. What's in chapter 7? That's great. Acts chapter 7 is Stephen's stony speech. What's the title for chapter 8? That's correct. Chapter 8 is Saul, Philip's ministry, Simon Magus, Ethiopian eunuch. What's in chapter 9? That's right. Chapter 9 is Damascus Road, early ministry, Peter and Dorcas. What's in chapter 10? That's great. Chapter 10 is Cornelius and Peter. All right, you've just learned chapters 6 through 10. Let's go back and review chapters 1 through 5. What's in chapter 1? That's right. Chapter 1 is Christ Goes Up, Matthias. What's the title for chapter 2? That's correct. Chapter 2 is Spirit Comes Down, Pentecost. What's chapter 3? Perfect. Chapter 3 is Lame Man, Peter's Sermon. What's the title for chapter 4? Yes, chapter 4 is Peter Imprisoned, Community Sharing. What's in chapter 5? That's right. Chapter 5 is Ananias and Saphira, Angelic Release, Gamaliel. Congratulations! You've just learned the titles of Acts chapters 1 through 10. Congratulations!